Alright, in this last video I'm going to show you what I have. So what can I say about doing this process the way that I've done it? Seems that it works so far pretty good. I think it has the right kind of sound, like a drum or a tambourine kind of thing. Monoprice sent me a FEP that had scratches on it. What can I say? I'm always unlucky with that. Hopefully it won't happen to you. As far as my methodology of using this and turning it around, it stays and it's pretty stable. It works well. The only issues that I had with the process is that sometimes the nuts that are on the other side of this thing will come out, and I showed that in previous videos. There's little nuts in there where the screws feed into and hold, and those will come out sometimes. So if you're doing it on here, sometimes it will come out. You have to take it off to fix it and then put it back on. Not a huge problem, but it could be annoying to some. Another thing to watch out is there's two extra holes that do not require you to poke through, and there's one here, there's one here. The way you know is because that feeds through there and there's nothing to go through there. I'm not sure why they have those extra holes in there. Maybe in the initial plan when they created the vat, they wanted to have an extra screw to go through there. I don't know. Seems pretty pointless. But yeah, so watch out for that. Another important key factor in when you're doing it is, as you're doing it, make sure that you poke your holes in this way towards this part and not outward, otherwise it won't create enough tension. And I think that pretty much covers the entire process. So watch my previous videos as well, they will help you with the process. This is the best I could do. I don't know if it prints yet, so I can't speak to whether it'll print well or not. And I still haven't cut off the extra FEP. Yeah, hopefully this helps you guys with your own machines when you need to change bits out. And remember not to over tighten any of the screws. Screw it until it won't move, and then do like a half turn. That's more than enough to avoid snapping the plastic. See you in the next one.